So one of the issues that you might face when you are working with Apache server is a 404 not found, right? So you have a project that you have, configured a domain for, but then when you try to access like sub URLs or directories, you get a 404, and you can see that the main document or the main URL works, but if I try to access a sub URL, I'm gonna get 404 error, despite the fact that I have the URL defined here. If I try to access it, I'm gonna get a 404 error. So I'm gonna show you how to resolve that real quick. So let's pull up your terminal, then go to your Apache configuration file. Open your config file with Nano or your favorite editor. So I'm gonna open that up. As you can see, this is a bare minimum virtual host configuration that we have, so nothing fancy. So what I want to do is I want to add a directory. I need to declare a directory and then add some configurations to it so that when I access sub URLs, it allows it to go through Apache. So first, we write directory and we specify our root directory, which is our example app/public, and we want to, let's close our directory tag. Now, what I want to do next is I'm gonna allow from all. Then I'm gonna declare options for indexes and also tell it to follow some links. Right. Next thing you want to do is you allow from all declare options. You also need to allow override because sometimes you might have .hcss file, making some modifications and accesses to certain directories in your code. So let's allow override to all of it, so we don't need to worry about any other thing afterwards. After that, we can just restart our server, systemctl reload Apache2. If you don't get any errors, let's go back and refresh. You can see that my URL is not accessible via Apache via the browser. So try to open up a flow here, and it works. This includes the main document. So that's how you solve the problem.